Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Insight. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury people movers of 2026, the Lexus Luxury van, a vehicle that's redefining what an executive MPV can be. Lexus doesn't just call this a van, it calls it a luxury mover, and that description has never been more fitting. Wikipedia, picture this: a sleek yet imposing body, executive caliber comfort, whisper quiet hybrid propulsion, and a cabin experience that rivals the finest first-class airline lounges. That's what Lexus has been building with the latest iteration of its luxury van lineup, especially the 2026 Lexus LM 350h. At its core, the Lexus LM is a global luxury MPV, engineered for passengers who demand serenity, refinement, and technology at every touchpoint. It's more than transport, it's a mobile sanctuary. Lexus Plus One. From the outside, the 2026 LM carries Lexus's signature design language with a twist. You'll find elegant body lines and an aerodynamic silhouette that elevate presence without shouting for attention. Chrome accents, slim LED lighting, and large alloy wheels hint at the level of premium craftsmanship this van offers. But the beauty really begins once you step inside. Lexus. Inside, Lexus has sculpted an environment that prioritizes comfort above all else, especially for rear seat passengers, the people who will spend the most time here. The rear cabin feels more like a private jet suite or a high-end executive lounge than anything traditionally associated with a van. You can opt for a 4-seat executive configuration with luxurious individual seats that recline, feature heated ottomans, and even massage functions. These seats aren't just plush. They are crafted with semi-aniline leather, exquisite materials, and attention to detail that Lexus calls Omotenashi, the Japanese philosophy of heartfelt hospitality. Lexus Plus One. Lexus has gone to great lengths to ensure total serenity in the cabin. A 3-step noise reduction strategy minimizes road, wind, and engine noise so effectively you'll find it hard to believe you're moving at highway speeds. Acoustic glass, specialized insulation, and vibration-damping materials make the interior a quiet retreat. This focus on calm and tranquility is a cornerstone of Lexus's luxury ethos, especially in a vehicle meant for VIP transportation. Lexus. Tech lovers will find the 2026 LM isn't just about cushioning and silence, it's packed with cutting-edge systems. A large infotainment touchscreen greets the driver, complete with the latest Lexus software and connecting features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Passengers get widescreen displays, multi-zone climate control, and wireless charging, everything you'd expect in a top-tier luxury machine. Rear cabin controls even allow passengers to adjust lighting, climate, and entertainment independently with intuitive touch panels. Balloony. Under the hood, or in this case, beneath the floor, the 2026 LM 350h utilizes an advanced self-charging hybrid powertrain that marries smooth, efficient performance with Lexus's signature quiet operation. The hybrid drivetrain delivers seamless acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency, perfect for long highway cruises or lengthy city jaunts with zero anxiety about range or charging stops. It's a package designed for comfort, not sport, yet refined enough to satisfy even discerning drivers. Balloony. Ride quality matches the luxurious interior. Adaptive suspension and chassis tuning provide a buttery smooth ride that absorbs imperfections in the road with zen-like composure. Whether you're chauffeuring clients or being chauffeured yourself, the LM feels detached from the bumps and jolts of everyday driving. It's this hushed, effortless motion that helps set it apart from conventional luxury SUVs and standard vans. Lexus. Safety and driver assistance aren't an afterthought either. The LM is equipped with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision detection, and a host of sensors that help keep all occupants safe without distracting from the calm interior experience. Balloony. While Lexus already offers the second-generation LM in over 60 countries, there are also whispers and concept previews, like the dramatic 6-wheeled Lexus LS van concept, that point to a future where Lexus could push the boundaries of luxury people movers even further. This bold concept reimagines what a van can be, with cavernous space, futuristic design cues, and interior layouts that break the mold of standard MPVs. Though still a concept, it signals Lexus's ambition to lead the segment into new territory. Car and driver plus one. So, What's the takeaway? The 2026 Lexus luxury van, especially the LM 350h, isn't just another people carrier. It's a statement. It represents Lexus's vision for what premium passenger transport should be in the modern era: quiet, comfortable, technologically advanced, and exquisitely crafted. It's built for executives, VIPs, and anyone who wants to travel in supreme comfort without sacrificing performance or innovation. If your definition of luxury includes space, serenity, and state-of-the-art technology, this van might just be the vehicle that redefines your expectations. Lexus. Thanks for watching Auto Insight. If you enjoyed this overview of the 2026 Lexus luxury van, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the most exciting vehicles hitting the road this year.